How's it going, pimps? And welcome back to the Small Addictions YouTube channel. This was my week for the model build, and I had to install the tires as well as the hood and bumper. So to start off, we did the front bumpers. This guy and this guy. They went on pretty easy. I put them on using the Bob Smith Maxi-Cure because it was all I had available to me. Kind of sad. Then, from there, we went to install the hood. Well, I tried to install the hood in an upright position, but it seems some of the previous people in the model can't read numbers and cut off the wrong parts. So, unfortunately, we weren't able to actually attach it to the car. But I didn't want to ruin Little E's hard work, so I decided to just leave it removable so we could admire his beautiful engine work. Last but not least, we installed the wheels. Now, I decided to go for a little bit of a Pimp My Ride-esque build here. So I decided to go with the tires off a Ford F-150 tow truck to really, just make them look big. And then, what's more pimped out than gold wheels on the front? The paint I originally used to do the wheels was the Testors Extreme Lacquer Gold. Now, I didn't want the front wheels to appear too pimped out, so I decided to try to dull down the gold effect by using just a little bit of AK's streaking grime. Just a little dab, really dulled it out. Then from there, I painted the back wheels using Testors Gloss Black, and they came out with a really nice effect. I attached the wheels using just a little bit of Bob Smith's Maxi-Cure. I love Bob, great guy, top 10. And then from there, I used a very light grade sanding stick just to scuff up the wheels a little bit and make them look a little bit more worn. Thank you guys for watching. Tune in next week to see our cameraman Justin apply the finishing touches on this beautiful model.